Hello, good morning, good morning. This is me, Douglas, from Beachtown Property here in Las Terrenas, and we're around about outside near our offices today. So this is a video. It's not one that I've done because, as you can see, it's a sort of like a simulated video of a fantastic development that we've got listed on our website, and this will give you a better idea what this great property is all about. The development belongs to a good friend of ours, so we get special deals and bargains on this. So give us a call, email me. You can call me on +1 if you're outside the DR, 829-436-3912, which is also my WhatsApp, or you can email me at doug@beachtownproperty.com and get onto the website and look at our other listings. So thanks for seeing things.